Hello everybody! And my brother's annoying. So, sick. I don't know what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna have to talk like this. But, I'm playing some Warrior Cat games. This is a Warrior Cat named Generators, and let's see this crap. Pebble Blossom! Look at that. It's like, wow. How do I look at him actually? I don't know.
Stupid copyright. It's like,
Be quiet! There's copyrighted music there. Okay. But I'm saying create your own Warrior Cat. Now let's see, I'm going to try to make my Warrior Cat that I am. Oh, this is easy peasy. Like, la la la. La la la. Oh, sorry, I was watching Pokemon. Pikachu! That was stupid. My kitty pet. Look at the eyes won't go in different colors, because that's what my ball does. I'm gonna add. There. That's actually legit what I look like, actually. Let's see. Where is this? Let me make it a girl. I don't know. Cause I sure did not. I'm not that. Is there such thing as Ice Strike? Because I am Ice Strike. Yeah. This is a cool. I'll leave the link to the website down below. So yeah. Okay. I'll find another game now. Peach. I'm not Mystery Sky. I'm Ice Strike. Okay, so this is a quiz. I'm going to have to answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, I know I'm in Thunder Time, but let's see what I will be in. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's play. How do I play? Oh. I don't know. Like, I guess I'm A, I guess? I don't know. So I like going in my woods and stuff. So probably A. E. Space. What is it? Risk to follow it? I'm really feel. Probably B, because I'm always like getting in trouble and stuff. No, it can't. Nothing. But if it goes to say, try to vision with the years and still I can't see number 8. E, I can't. Probably B. Like, then I would declare war, like, attack theirs, but. Oh, fight if you must. Oh, I'm not. Cool, bro. Cool. Bro. Cool, bro. Okay, cool. I'm in River Clan, but I'm actually in Thunder Clan, so I've taken the real test. Like on the Warrior Cat. I think there's like a test in there, but I've taken the real test and I've always gotten Thunder Clan. Thunder Clan or Wind Clan, I've always gotten. I've never gotten River Clan. Yeah. It's so cute. I like a River Clan or, I don't know. Let's just see another game. Okay, so. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna. It's a kit generator tool. Do I get to like. Oh. Blood Clan, Sky Clan, no, Big Clan. Or Big Kit, Sky Clan. Okay. I don't know who have. Wow, 4 kits. Blood Clan. Dream Clan, where's that? Dark Clan. Wow, Bumble Kit. Yeah, cool. Blood. There's a lot of blood. Snow, Fallen. Desert. Oh, this is like a lot of clicking and seeing different kits, so yeah. I don't know what this is. I just clicked one. I closed my eyes and clicked one. What the heck is this? Bro, no, look at all these cats. Okay. Well, these cots. Look at all the cots. Yeah, one time. Oh, you can just jump back. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Look at my eyes and bam. Yeah, that's it. Cool, bro. I don't know.